Hey guys, direct link in the video description, right below the video to pre-order your Alien Rangers, estimated for June, but could be earlier. I always feel like I'm in the middle of things. Hooray, Alien Rangers!
There's my fish heads!
This set looks really good.
How are they not gonna have fish
Alien
heads?
Rangers usually
How
don't
many
get a lot
chances
of
are
love,
they gonna have to release a
people
set
will be
with
really
fish
happy
heads?
to see this set. All right, Bruno, settle down.
Sorry.
Other than the lack of fish heads, it's a good-looking set. I got mine. How many people really care about the heads? Once again, direct links in the video description. Somewhat recently, I posted a Zap Megazord and Dragonzord video. And in that video, I totally meant to include the Zeo Megazord. This is also from Hasbro. It does not transform. The articulation in the leg seems like it could have been better, but you can do that. I guess he can also sit. That's pretty good, right? Helmet comes off, and you can replace it with Zeo Ranger 1 Battle Helmet, Zeo Ranger 2 Battle Helmet, Zeo Ranger 3 Battle Helmet, Zeo Ranger 4 Battle Helmet, and Zeo Ranger 5 Battle Helmet. Direct link in the video description. Alright, short video for today, but a lot of stuff has been showing up, so we're working on other videos, and Mia's working on a thing that she's, I think, almost done with, so stay tuned for good things. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.